Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I'm out in Alaska at the moment. Check out this fucking amazing scenery behind me. It's mid-October, a little bit chilly, but not into proper winter yet. So I'm out with this pesty little mofo here, Ivar Bergmann, and we're gonna go and do his PT loop that he does most days, is that right?
Yeah, pretty much every morning.
Oh, cool. So it's a 4.8 mile loop. We're obviously loaded up, got our gear on, ready to go. And we're going to do like a little PT loop just to welcome me into a little treat for my first day in Alaska. You know, don't worry about the fact that I've just travelled for 24 hours and all that. Thanks, mate, appreciate it.
No problem.
Cool. Yeah, so we're going to come and take in the scenery and have a bit of a walk around.
Hopefully see some wildlife.
Yeah,
because you didn't see nothing last time.
Nah, I've seen some already. Like, there's a little creature, a little orc. Let's do it. Some pretty thick ice there. Whoa.
Keep going, you're alright. I'm your Alaska tour guide. Go out a little farther. Trust is the primary ingredient to any relationship.
Whoa. Hold there. No.
Huzzah!
Going downhill. It's for winners.
It's the best kind of hill.
Yeah, man. Beautiful day for it today, hey?
Yes, yes. You couldn't have arrived on a better day for last night.
So beautiful. It's blue, clear skies, awesome flipping scenery.
Crisp temperature, not too hot, not too cold.
Yeah, cool. It is actually quite cool. So, but yeah, that's cool. Mega. And here's some history about this area, talking about the fact that there was an airfield here and all the different kinds of aircraft that operated out of here, including the Dakota, known as a Skytrain in the States, Liberator, Warhawk, Lightning, all those famous aircraft. Very, very interesting. All the different aircraft here. And then over on this side, this is something a lot of people don't know about. Look at this, Japanese troops invade Alaska. Look at that, what it says there, a handful of Japanese parachutists could capture Alaska. So basically, yeah, the Japanese airborne, they're flipping mega as well, you know. Interesting stuff.
This place is infested with bear during the green season.
Check that river out. Nice. So this is the old airfield here, as you can see on this sign. It says Airstrip Trail. So this is where the old wartime airfield was. So sure, this was an interesting place to be around a few years ago. And look at this massive big open area. You could still use this as an airstrip now. You know, you could bring aircraft in here. It's a rough airstrip, like a Talo type thing, or TLZ. Interesting place. Ooh. Shit. Are you bear aware?
I'm very bear aware.
Glad to hear it.
I had
buddy.
to cease to prove it.
So, end of the trail now, and we're just going to treat ourselves with a little hill at the end, because, you know, you've got to treat yourself, haven't you?
Last hill.
Work hard. You are being idle.
And there you have it.
Cool. Lovely day as well still. Beautiful sunny day.
Still early.
Cool. So, enjoy that, mate?
Yeah.
It's your daily burn, this, isn't it?
It is. Pleasure to have you with me.
Cheers, mate. Nice to be here too. And yeah, that's our start of our little journey out here in Alaska. A little bit of a walk around, getting some time out with the rucks, as the American would call it. You call it a ruck, right?
Rucksack.
Yeah, with a Bergmann, yeah. And, yeah, getting warmed up for the rest of the week. So catch you again soon, and as always, stay prepared.
Cheers. Never quit.